Hi, I'm Dee, and welcome to my channel, Dee Lovely Life, encouraging others with hope and positivity as a family caregiver and homemaker. A variety of videos sharing, showing, chatting, and sometimes a burst of laughs. Let's face it, things happen in life, so why not make it lovely? In today's video, I thought I would share a day in the life, returning back home and getting settled back, trying to get back into my routine once again. You know how it is when you return back from a trip, a vacation. You just have things that need your attention, like the mail, the bills. You want to start updating your planner, making plans for you to better prepare yourself for the week of being back home. It's on day 2 of being home, and I still have to finish unpacking. I started the day before with the tote bags. Those are empty and just need to be stored away. But for some reason, I wanted to really go through them just in case something is forgotten in them. Don't you hate that? The one item you just can't find anywhere until you pack for your next trip? Right? I finished unpacking my mom, Queen G, stuff yesterday and reorganized her supplies. Getting her unpacked and organized immediately is totally essential for her daily care. So I'm super happy she's done and settled in already. But now it's time for myself, and well, I see some odds and ends of picking up after as well. One thing leads to another. All right. I'm at that point where I'm getting tired of wearing the same old shirts over and over. I mean, we take photos and we're still in the same shirts from 2, 3, 4 years ago. I think I wore the same shirt in all my birthday pictures like for the past 3 years. No joke. I told my husband, we need to do some shopping on this last trip. So a couple of days before we left Las Vegas, I snuck away to TJ Maxx and found some cute shirts. Like this one. Isn't that cute? However,
look at that. Didn't even know that was there. That is going to be a sewing project.
Anyway, at least I was lucky enough to find new ones. As I'm unpacking, I'm thinking that it's probably a good time to start placing my summer attire in my seasonal drawers stored in our guest room. But I'm also thinking that the weather is still in the mid-80s right now in October. Do you keep your seasonal clothes separated? Let me know in the comments below. I'm loving my new curler, or waves curler that is. Super easy to use, and the waves seem to stay all day long. I really used it a lot lately, and thank you to those who gave me compliments on my hair. Thank you so much! I'm trying to curl and fix my hair more these days, getting out of that, the hair bun every day look. But then again, at the end of the day, I'm not gonna lie, normally after I curl it and wear it down, by the end of the night, it's back in a bun. What can I say? There she is. Getting ready and feeling pretty sure does make a huge difference in the day. I don't do this every single day, but I'm trying to get better at it. One thing that I'm grateful about is all the cleaning that I had done before we left. It was nice to come back home to a clean home, that is. So not much cleaning or deep cleaning just yet, only my daily routine of this and that. Back in my office once again, the laundry room, where I tend to be every single day. I wanted to check out the situation in here and see if there was anything left in the machines. I wanted to wash all the blankets and linens that we used on our road trip. I only had these to wash and one small bag of our clothes together next. As part of my normal morning routine, I wanted to get back into habit right away. Let these begin so that I can get on to the rest of my caregiving duties next. Now, let's put on the caregiver hat. Start Queen G's morning routine with her. Oopsie! She's sleeping real good at this moment, so I'm gonna let her catch up on some much needed rest, especially after our road trip. Let me find something quiet to do in the meantime without waking her up. My kitchen sink needed some cleaning and a sparkler shine. I filled the sink up with some water, then I placed my houseplants in there for the last 2 weeks while we were away on our trip. That seemed to work perfectly each time. Just an easy tip to keep your houseplants thriving as you're away. Anyway, where was I going with this? Oh yeah, it left my sink dirty and it needed to be cleaned. So here I am. I'm going to take this opportunity to be nice and quiet. I don't follow the Fly Lady cleaning system. However, the whole shine your sink just seemed to click and worked with me when I first tried it. Now it's like a must for me. On most days, it's not like I do it every single day. I'm not that perfect. Anyway, something about a shiny sink that makes me happy now. Wait, who am I? Oh yeah, right. That me now. Just picked up our mail from the post office. So I have to go through that. Made myself a list and trying to check things off. So I guess I can check off picking up our mail. I just got to go to the P.O. box. Oh, I cleaned our master bedroom, but I still got to do the bathroom. So I'm just going to put BR. Premiere, I just did that. I hope you guys join me. Thank you for the ones who joined me on the premiere. I love doing that. I already did dishes. I need to do the kitty litter. I need to do a tidy up. I gotta call the TV cable. Get mail. And I think that is it for right now. Alright, caregiver hat time. Have you ever been away from your home too long, where when you return back, you quickly sort of forget where things are, and then you have to take a few seconds to remember because you forgot? That actually happened to me twice now, and once for my husband. Not on this past trip, but the previous one where we were gone over a month long. Isn't that trippy? I mean, we got so used to living in our home in Las Vegas. We giggled at each other when we reached into the wrong cabinet searching, or we just stopped for like a couple of seconds and we're like, oh yeah, it's over here. I mean, it usually lasts only, the first day. Then it all comes back. But man, that is such a trip when that happens. We ate out every day for a meal while in Las Vegas, no lie. So getting back into creating a meal plan, a grocery list, and cooking is a must-do. Tonight I'm fixing an oldie but a goodie. This is my favorite comfort rice dish. I shared it on my previous meal plan and recipe video.
We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. Still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby.
Returning back from vacation and getting back into routine can be a struggle. I totally agree with that. We had a blast and enjoyed every moment with our family and friends. I am just so honored to bring my mom, Queen G, home to Las Vegas as much as we do and can. So, taking things slowly is key. Start with the priorities first, and then get to the rest when you can. I use my planner, and that's so essential for me and all that I do. I'm getting this part of returning back from vacation mode to regular routine mode better after all these times now. Not saying that I'm a pro at it, but I'm definitely being a little bit more easier on myself in doing so.
Like the waves on a big blue stormy sea. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. We always get back up again. You and me.
Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's Day in the Life with Dee. Click that subscribe button and remember to take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
We always get back up again.